You know, it's a common thing. This overwhelming, anxious feeling that hits you just like a ton of bricks, even after the relationship is over. And if you gotta keep dealing with that person, whether it's co-parenting or some family member that you just can't escape, it's still there. You feel like you're in survival mode 24/7, like you're constantly ready to fight or take flight at any moment. And it's just because of all that crap that you've been through. Now let's break it down. This person, they're manipulative, they're self-centered, they're super selfish. They've done some pretty messed up things to you and you may not even fully realize it. It can come in as emotional abuse, as physical abuse, all kinds of just crazy stuff. And let me tell you, that messes with your well-being big time. You're in this constant heightened state, always on edge, never knowing when the next shoe is going to drop. Your body is just stuck in this chronic stress response thanks to the unpredictable environment created by that person. Living in that kind of messed up situation for long periods of time, it messes you up. You've been through some serious trauma. And a lot of people don't think that relationship trauma is trauma, but it is. It is trauma, and it's a serious trauma. And now you're dealing with the aftermath. So you see, a trauma response is just how your body copes with something that's messed up that you had to go through. When you're going through it, you can't always process in the moment or understand how it's making you feel or fully deal with all the emotions and experiences that are there and then.